Still going back to my pantry, I decided to have rice pudding, to make rice pudding, because I've been emptying my pantry. So it was 500 grams. I just put half, and then it's like, no, I'm going to make all of it because I'm emptying my pantry, right? So I decided to go and to take everything out and use it all because I'm going to share with friends. And so I have right now 4 little plates with rice pudding, and I just wanted to explain what I did. So I used the rice pudding, I used the sultana orange, and I used cranberries. So all of these are empty bags now that got out of my pantry, and it's a rice pudding without sugar because it's taking the sugar from the sultanas and the cranberries, which is more than enough. If people want to have a little bit more, they can add a little bit more of cinnamon or vanilla sugar. It's up to you, but I made it without sugar and it's nice. I don't know, let's try. We're going to make rice pudding. I'm going to use almond milk. Of course, this is a vegan recipe, and no added sugar. So for that, I'm going just to enhance the flavors with a little bit of salt, and then I'm going to add sultanas and cranberries. So shall we start? This is orange sultana. Awesome. This is a cup of rice that I'm going to slightly wash, quick rinse. Adding boiling water to cover. Allow to boil at low heat with a pinch of salt. Okay, in the meantime, I'm going to boil here my milk. I'm going to shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. I'm going to allow it to boil. Here, actually, I'm going to add as well a half a vanilla pod that I already scraped and used for another dessert, but now I'm just making sure that I'm going to use that one as well. I'm going to use lemon zest of a lemon, and a cinnamon stick. The zest shouldn't have any of the pith. The pith is the white part. This is the real cinnamon sticks. It is a cinnamon stick from Ceylon, and cinnamon sticks from Ceylon, they break easily, and the other ones are harder. After boiling, we take everything, we strain the cinnamon and the lemon zest and the vanilla pod, and then we mix everything here together. So let's allow the dance to start. I was actually looking at the package, and as you know, I am using what I have in the pantry, and it felt like I was not using what I have in the pantry. Add a little bit more water. Let's go for it. It doesn't change the measurements for now. I'm going to maintain the measurements. I'm just going to add the water there. And now we test. Still not perfectly cooked. And now we let it sit for a bit. Now I'm just going to decorate with a little bit of cinnamon powder. Now it's time to go and decorate the beautiful rice pudding plates so I can offer them to my friends and neighbors. And I'm going to use the same plate because it has already the extra cinnamon and I want to use it. I don't want to waste it. It's so precious. It is cinnamon from Ceylon, from Sri Lanka. Real cinnamon. It's real cinnamon. So it's time to taste. Let me see. So here we go. It's not the traditional recipe, but it's a pudding that is absolutely delicious. It's not savory. It's a sweet because of the fruits, and that's enough. You don't need more sugar. It's really good. So good. Completely approved. So welcome to Veganuary, where recipes are without sugar, without milk, without gluten, and so flavorful. No processed sugar. So you have the simple recipes. They are sustainable, and I empty my cupboard. So I have three bags less in my pantries. What have you used today? Let me know in comments. How is your pantry? How is it looking? And tell me, what have you used today? Well, have a wonderful day and see you soon. Happy Veganuary. Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes. Please don't use knives to cut plastic because it will damage your plastic. Okay, I'm just going to use